dali. Mag-grupo-grupo kayo. Tatlong bata sa isang grupo. Okay, come here, dali.
Diba, meron na siyang ano?
Dito, first group. Dito tayo. Sino ka-grupo mo, kuya? Come here, dali. Organize tayo. Kayong tatlo. Sige, hold hands together para isang grupo kayo. Okay, kayo ate, you stand right here. Ayan.
Ay, dito tayo. Puro ka konti tayo.
100 pesos. And another prize, 1 chicken finger gift certificate voucher worth 185. And sino mauna? Ikaw mauna. Kayo mauna. Dali, dito tayo dito. Alam niyo ba paano gawin ito? Sige. Group 1, Group 2, ay Group 3 tayo. Group 3 kayo ha. Tingnan niyo. You remember your number. Group 3 kayo ha. Group 4. And you are Group 5. Dito tayo Group 5. Kasi dito tayo. Meron tayong, kasali kayo. Kasali kayo?
Send ko na lang yan pala.
Group 5 kayo. Group 5. Marites kami. Ay, Giselle, kami here muna. Demonstrate natin muna. First field yan. Pili. Okay. Isa munang kamay. Isa. Okay. Isang kamay. Ganyan. So.
Yan. Duksong tinig.
Gap. You unpack right here.
You unback right here.
Okay. Ganito ka gawin ninyo. 1. Pagkatapos kung nakatalon kayo, patong isang kamay ma'am.
Uy, iba kasi.
2. And then, pag nakalusok kayo, good. Kung natalon ninyo, ganito nyo naman. Dapat hindi natin.
Don't breathe. Okay, go. And I think you can sit on the floor. No problem. It's dirty. It's okay. It's not even you want to wash your clothes. Ganyan. Yeah, you can sit. Don't worry. It's okay. It's okay lang daw. It's okay. Maya, sit on the floor. Sit on the grass. Sit down. Ayan! Diba? Sometimes we have to experience our children in germs. Okay, go! First jump! Wow! One more hand. Like that. Yeah. Okay, you press the second button. Martina, okay, good. Go, jump! Woo! Okay, one more hand. Okay, the other hand, Martina. There you go. Tapon, patama. Woo! Okay, yeah, another. On the 4 fingers together. 4 hands. Okay, go! Yay! 5! Oh, 5. Alright, hand. Ayan. Tada! Yay! Careful ate ha. Okay, good. Go! 1, 2, 3, go! Yay! Naka-short yan. Yay! Okay, let's go.
Yay!
Wow, very good. Smile. Congratulations.
Yay!
Okay, this time. We will wait.
Yay!
Okay, go. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3. Up, careful. Okay, careful. Ayan. So, at least, Katrika. Oh, number to beat is 3. Okay, come here, ate. What's your name, ate? Oh, the kids who want to join? There. You wait online. Online. Everyone. Everybody is entitled to join them. The prize is the skill against certificate worth 185 or 1 into a 300 pesos, depending on the prize. Okay? Yes. You have a Corvana, right?
And then, wait. Okay, yes. Right. Ayun, mami, okay. Okay, hold on. Baby, one more time.
Go Martina!
This is important, okay?
Yay!
Oh, Magellan! Diba, saying sa amin, hindi lang, Portugal si Magellan. Sila lang po yun. Okay, hey!
Yan.
Ayan! Oh,
Go.
Go, Daddy. More na daw, Daddy. Yan. Oh, wait daw. Shoot sa mga. Pintahan din mga oros.
1, 2.
Tawa. Tungkol sa katigasan ko.
You're next, ate.
Dali, matungko mo taong nakuha pa. Atangan ko yung taon. Hindi mo wala akong hindi ko matulog. Okay, dali. Oy, kanina, dako na ni. Asang mama ni?
Ako.
Ay, oo. Dako po.
Tito John will a guide.
Okay, ready? Mami, you guide your child. Asa?
You,
Ay, this is
you
your
can
child.
do it.
Straight, baby. O, sige, malapit ka na.
Tina.
Malapit ka na makalabas sa gate. Lulu. Okay, palakpakan natin.
Yay!
He's the winner. And of course, you will receive a prize. And congratulations. Ito pala.
Thank you.
Picture.
Picture.
This one and the certificate.
Ate, Martina, where are you? Ay na.
There you go. Congratulations. Join us. Dali. Join there. Join everybody. Dali. Dito tayo lahat dito. Sino pa mga kids dyan? Mami, you join us. With you, yeah, you just carry your baby right there. Oh. Doon tayo sa likod po. Okay, may mga babies pa. Mami, come here. Because we will post this in the FB page ng Malagos Homegrown so that you can see your children right there. O baka ma-discover sila sa Regal. Diba? Regal Shocker. Sige, dila. Sige, baby. Yan. Everybody! Everybody will shout, Malagos Homegrown!